Okay, this is Mark Poldaron, and I am your tour guide for this day. As you see,
Can I say something?
that.
Can I say something? Something.
Oh, nice one, dudes. As you see.
Yeah. I can see a lot of trucks. What's that?
Yeah, sample lang yun. Sample lang yung mga kapatid. Ito talaga ang original na tour guiding natin. Ito siya.
What up? Pakakita na nga nila.
Bar.
Amo, misip ko pa sabi ako siyempre. Welcome to Mega Dike, amo. Sa control.
As you see over there.
We know about
As you see at the left corner, it's the opposite of the right.
the history of Makachan, you know, in the year of 20 Kobong, ma'am.
History of Makachan.
Mga